Things are getting...
Catching a moment's relaxation before the beginning of what could be a long legal battle. These Mau Mau veterans have travelled all the way from their villages in Kenya to London, the seat of an empire they say is responsible for torturing them during the 1950s and 60s. They'd been fighting for independence from Britain. Both men say that over the course of about 10 years in detention centres, they were beaten regularly, tortured and forced to do hard labour.
I was beaten. My father was beaten. Everybody in the camp. I think those camps was just a torture station, because no one who went into these camps who was not tortured.
The Mau Mau were mostly made up of the Kikuyu tribe. It was an uprising against the land grabbing of white settlers. About 150,000 Kenyans were held in the camps, where it's believed tens of thousands died of disease or starvation. The Kenyan Human Rights Commission says so far it's documented dozens of cases of castration and extreme sexual abuse. Many victims have found it hard to tell their stories.
Especially with the women, because some of what happened is so humiliating and so long-term. But I would certainly say all of the people that we have statements for went through extreme torture. That was routine and that was systematic.
In a statement given to Al Jazeera, the British Foreign Office said it does understand the depth of feelings surrounding the Mau Mau issue, but it's already told the veterans' lawyers it will be contesting the case on the grounds of liability and limitations. Because of that impending legal battle, the Foreign Office wouldn't comment any further. John Nottingham was stationed in Kenya during the 1950s. He's now a Kenyan citizen, helping veterans in their claim for compensation and an apology.
These old men who have come are nothing compared to some of the people that have been left behind, too sick to bring here, who are getting no help and who have all sorts of trauma and other results of what happened to them during this emergency. It's a disgrace to the British people, in my view.
There are 5 main claimants, and if successful, about another 7,000 could follow. Tania Page, Al Jazeera, London.